Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
How you doing?
How are you?
Great, doing videos. You're cooling off? Can I come over? Are y'all in line? Okay.
Something high or something low?
Info first. What all's in here? Equipment and all.
6 Ascendant Audio Team 18s. Right now I have 2 SFB 13.5Ks wired at 0.9, 198H Cmax, 3 270s, brand X alternators.
Okay. All right. Who built the box?
Tony Isles,
Tony.
Wild and Wild.
Okay. I like the design. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And it's a
4th order.
4th order.
Yep.
Okay. Have you metered it yet?
We metered it. We set it up. It's supposed to be 2 salt 12s at 0.9.
Okay.
Right now I have the 13.5, so we're waiting on one more salt to come in.
Okay.
So we metered it on 1 salt at 2 ohms, and it did a 57.8.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Awesome. All right. I'll hear it, man.
the wall, money in the mattress.
Dude, that is really windy.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate the demo, man. Wow.
No problem.
That was a good one.
That's great. Great bandwidth too, man. And you said you were doing 57s on just one.
Yeah, 57.8 on one
Wow.
solid 2 ohms.
Oh,
I
awesome.
clamped, I think, 6K.
6K?
Yeah.
Thank you. What was your name?
Charles.
Charles. Thank you, Charles.
Thank you.
Got a video.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.